ERC, quality service since 1972, repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the ABC 3340 Weather Extreme video. This is for Thursday, the 22nd of May. Alabama's weather beginning to look and feel like summertime today. Humidity values coming up and maybe a shower in spots later. Let's go right to the Skycam shots early this morning. And again, nice to see a little daylight out there at the ridiculous hour of 5 o'clock where I do this update. There's a look at Birmingham, looking south from the top of the Daniel building. Kind of a cool shot there. There's a look at the water of Lake Katoma is coming from the Coleman Skycam. And from Walker County, there's a look at the downtown Jasper view coming from the top of the King building there. On the water vapor satellite imagery this morning, we've got that whopper of an upper low out west. Very cold, unsettled out there. Also a big upper low that's parked over eastern Canada in the northeast United States. And in between, we've got the ridging. And could be some big storms later today out in advance of that western trough. Temperature is pretty chilly out there out west. In fact, looking around Flagstaff, Arizona, they're in the upper 20s and low 30s, and they might see some snowflakes before the week is over. The warmer air up through the southern plain states, and again, pretty chilly back in the northeast. They're in the 40s up there. On the convective outlook today, there is a moderate risk of severe weather across parts of western Kansas and a slight risk surrounding that. Day 2, tomorrow for Friday, the risk of severe weather is out there across the high plain states. Day 3, Saturday, pretty much the same story. Slight risk of severe weather from Wichita up to Sioux Falls. And day 4, 5, and 6, the holiday weekend, severe weather potential across the Midwest and the plain states, not around here. Here's the QPF map. This is the expected rain valid through Monday evening of next week. And I still think the numbers down there for the Gulf Coast are a little too aggressive. This is suggesting Panama City and Destin and Gulf Shores may be getting over 4 inches of rain. Will it rain down there? Yes. But I don't think they get that much. And then really heavy rain showing up out there across the plain states with all those thunderstorms. We'll go through modeling. This is the OZGFS valid at 1 o'clock today. And you can see it is a blocked pattern with a big vortex over eastern Canada and another one over the southwest United States. And down at the surface, moisture begins to return today, but really this run is not as bullish on scattered storms today. It looks like if we see any today, they might be more isolated. And, of course, all of the action will be out there in advance of that big lee low on the lee of the Rockies in the plain states. Tomorrow, again, moist air, maybe a few scattered showers and storms. The model is suggesting the better coverage will be down south near the Gulf Coast. Saturday, the better moisture south of Birmingham. This is suggesting really the Tennessee Valley will be dry. And then scattered showers and storms from Birmingham on south. And then Sunday, upper ridging really takes over. That big 588 circle begins to expand. And down at the surface, we've got dry air slipping in from the east. I don't know if that wedge effect will play too much of a role in temperatures. I still think we'll be up in the 80s, but it looks like that will be a completely dry day. And Monday of next week looks the same. Memorial Day. So we'll hang on to the chance of a few scattered showers and storms through Saturday, and then we'll go dry Sunday and Monday. Tuesday of next week looks dry. And Wednesday of next week, the 588 ridge continues in place, and below that, a surface front is up to the north, but that's going to have a hard time reaching us with that ridge in place. We'll go trolling into June. This is June the 2nd. On this run, the westerlies are a little farther to the south. We've got a little trough off the Atlantic coast, and that takes our tropical system that the GFS has been detecting for a week or so. And again, that suggests if anything develops down there, that will be moving up into the Atlantic instead of the Gulf. But remember, this is still voodoo country out here. We're beyond 7 days. And at the end of the cycle on June the 6th, boy, that's a good-looking trough for June right there. That suggests a good front with showers and storms. But, hey, I'll believe that when I see it. That might change on the next run. That's it for the Weather Extreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 today. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.